how to get fast delivery or fast shipping on Temu. So here I'm just going to open up the app and you want to add some items to your cart. Once you have your cart ready, here I will just select checkout and I'll explain how this works. Okay, so once you've gone to the checkout page, it should look like this. It's going to show you delivery. For this specific package, it's going to be between 4 and 15 days. Now, if you have ordered multiple items from different providers or carriers, you will see an option for speed up shipment. If you click on the speed up shipment button, what that's going to do, for an additional charge, it is going to send you separate packages instead of one big package. You can find the button here where it says shipping. In my case, it's free and shows the amount of time, also a credit that you will be funded if it is late. But basically here you will see speed up shipment if you have ordered from multiple suppliers, like I said, and you can choose that button to get fast delivery on Temu. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.